I'm Niki Rose Federman. I'm the fourth generation co-owner of Russ and Daughters, and I'm here today at MOFAD's Cookbook Corner to add our cookbook, Russ and Daughters 100 Years of Appetizing, to the shelf, and also to look around and have fun seeing what books I want to check out. So honored to have that be on the shelf. But let me look around. There's so much. Well, 1,000 Foods to Eat Before You Die by the late, great Mimi Sheridan, a devoted customer of Russ and Daughters, for herring, for bagels, bialys. She was also the New York Times restaurant critic, and let me tell you, you did not want to be on the receiving end of one of her critical reviews. She was the one who wrote to me when we started our own bakery, and I sent her our bialys and our bagels. She said, "Yes, you've nailed it. This is it." Well, here's one. If you like it, don't eat it. Dietary fads and fancies? What are fancies? Are you supposed to make recipes in here or not? It sounds like you shouldn't. You shouldn't eat it. I don't really understand, but I'm fascinated. Well, I kind of agree. Nothing beats borscht. There's lots of different takes on borscht. I guess there are enough to fill a cookbook. Breakfast borscht, lunch borscht, dinner borscht. That's a lot of beats happening in this one book. Oh, a classic. This is definitely part of our cookbook collection at Russ and Daughters. Arthur Schwartz's Jewish Home Cooking, Yiddish Recipes Revisited. Arthur Schwartz is also a friend of the family, and this is iconic. Gefilte fish, of course. Kishka. There's no kishka in the Russ and Daughters cookbook. Shav. A classic. Deserves to be on the shelf for sure. Miami Spice. Latin America, Cuba, and the Caribbean meet in the tropical heart of America. Someone who's half Colombian, and Miami is basically Little Colombia. Grilled swordfish with fried garlic sauce. Wow. Miami Spice and Miami Vice. These books here on this shelf look really old. This one is called Of Cabbages and Kings from 1938. Chapter 1, of an introductory nature and suggesting the motion that food is fun. Thank heaven people pick their teeth again, and burping, the favorite after-dinner pastime of the gourmet, is back in polite society once more. Okay. There are stews, there are roasts, there are fish, of cabbages and kings. Curious about this one, the Masoni Family Cookbook. Russ and Daughters is a fourth generation family business. I'm always drawn to other family makers, but of course the Masoni family is most known for their textiles, so colorful and delicious. Oh my god, and look what's on the other side of this. The Sour Cream Cookery. Very niche, from 1947. Is this all sour cream? Yeah, who put this out? Barbara Brown wrote it, and she dedicated it to Ruth Wells, who asked for some sour cream recipes. Maybe there should be a cottage cheese cookbook. I feel like that could be the next, niche dairy cookbook. Women's Exchange Cookbook, supervised by the Women's Exchange. When is this from? 1894. In offering the Women's Exchange Cookbook to the mothers, housekeepers, and cooks over the land, we do so feeling it will prove a lasting good to each and all of our women. Lest many of you do not understand from whence the book derives its name, we'll say that the Women's Exchange is generally known as a depot for the reception and sale of any article which women can make in their own home. I have to be so careful. These pages are really brittle, but it talks about here to preserve watermelon rind and citron. Brown sauce number 1, brown sauce number 2, sauce for game, bread sauce, sauce tartare. Any book that's putting forth work and the contributions of women is a book that I want to explore more. What's this? The Best Pudding Known. Book contains the best pudding recipe known. Oh yeah, the authors of the Silver Palette Cookbook. Oh, this is another. Oh, these ladies were really kind of pioneers in some ways. And this is This is a tome. This is a real evergreen book. It gives you everything you need. It's really, look, fish school. And it goes on with the whole chart of different fish and how you can fillet them. I mean, I appreciate what it means to fillet a fish. The Hadassah ladies, Rochester Hadassah Cookbook. Kind of awesome designs. Ooh. Starts with Passover. I mean, they just get to work, these Hadassah ladies. Fish and Peas Parnassus. Sweet and sour fish. Sounds like it could be from a Chinese restaurant, but there's a lot of overlap there, you know. Pickle. Butter cookies. Herring cacciatore. Fabulous.